Okay, so if you want to use the piglin farm, what you have to do is come here to the scaffolding, go all the way up to the top. Yeah, I built this right here. And then you want to come up here, and if the piglins aren't aggroed on the iron golem, so, I placed a guy right here, Playboy Cardi. And so if he sees this guy, he'll constantly be aggroed at all the or the piglins will constantly be aggroed at him. Here's a perfect example. Okay, so the piglins aren't mad at the iron golem right now. So what you want to do is flip down these trapdoors, place a block obscuring his vision so he doesn't target this guy. So when he sees another guy coming, let me shove him. He's looking at me. He needs to look at another piglin. So once he gets the attention of another piglin, he'll try to hit it. And once he hits one, they'll all get aggroed. You close these trapdoors, and then you drop down, and it will work. And what you want, so you want to after he hits the piglin, you want to close these trapdoors so he doesn't get hit. Break the block obscuring his vision so the piglin stayed aggroed, so because he sees this guy, and then just go back down, and the XP farm will work. You can just say, okay, there. I'll just give you an example though. If I can find a guy. If I walk away, some will spawn and go towards the turtle egg. Once you get him close enough, they'll naturally walk towards egg. This guy is... Okay, so now he's walking towards the egg. Just open these trapdoors. Try to get the iron golem to hit him. Like that, okay. Close the trapdoors so he doesn't get hit. Break the block. Obscuring his vision right here. And then drop it. Be good. Drop down right here. You can just run around. Back. And then look. Infinite XP. It shouldn't break. If it does, just redo that. And yeah, you're welcome.